Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix any Instagram bug. Well, check to see if Instagram is down globally before moving through Instagram bugs and issues, because there's a tendency that you are not just facing it alone. Now, how to do that, go to Google web browser and type is Instagram down. So you can see here when you click the first one, you can see a recent news and issues about Instagram. So if you see here that the Instagram is down, not just in your case, but it's global and international or whatsoever, then all you have to do is to wait before going through another steps or making any moves, just like fixing this and that. All you have to do is to wait until Instagram solves the issue. Another thing is that go to your settings, I mean phone settings, and then scroll down and look for app management. Now, click app management and go to app list. Scroll down or search the word Instagram here on the search bar. And then go to storage data and tap this clear cache. So after doing this, then you expect that maybe the bugs and the errors will soon be fixed. So after that, click OK if you want to clear data up. If not, it's okay also. Now you can go back, try to see if there are any improvements with your Instagram account, if the errors are fixed, if the bugs are fixed. Then if not, then the possibility is that it's really not working well. So the best thing to do is to tap the hamburger icon, go to settings, scroll down, and look for help. Once you click this one, go to report a problem, and you can just be specific with your concerns here. All you have to do is to type like help me fix some bugs, and then after that all you have to do is to wait for the customer service team to take any actions for this. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.